I'm a fool for your love.
So I have got something brand new for you. So this application is known as Chroma Live Wallpaper. So Chroma Live Wallpaper basically an alternative app for the Google Pixel 4 XL and 4 wallpaper application. That thing has got live wallpaper thing and it's pretty dope, right? But this alternative app is better than that, because even if you have got the APK for wallpaper beta from Google Pixel 4 and 4 XL and for the third party phones, you are not able to open or pass that package out. But this wallpaper application is brand new in the Play Store, as said, Chroma Live Wallpaper, and it's damn good. So this application is very much simple to use. Just open the application up and you will be see that a breathing live wallpaper, and you can just shake the wallpaper thing and you are greeted with new wallpaper each and every time, with new color matched, new designs and all randomized as a format, so you can never get bored while changing the wallpaper. And if you go to the settings, you can also grab you can also change background or on home return, or means while you press the home button and all every 2 minutes interval. You can also change shapes, color, animations and parallax with gyroscope effect, along with starting and breathing effect. That is the live settings of that particular wallpaper. Okay, so you can change the breathing effect, and also you can use battery saving mode in order to save battery while using this, and it always takes a hell less amount of battery to be operated on any devices. So guys, this is pretty much interesting app, and I hope if you download this app, I think you will not regret it. So this is my opinion for this application, and if you like this application, do like and comment down below how you have liked it. And if you want to download it, link for that is given in the descriptions below, so go ahead and download it out. So guys, it's Nadir from IndiaG, just signing out. I hope you have liked the video. It was short, precise, and if you do like, please subscribe. So till then, keep calm and have a great day.